pa rin sa South Island. Ano ang road trip namin? South Island to North Island. So, dito na kami. Hanap kami ng food. Kasi sabi may food truck dito. Yeah, they're open naman. No. So, yung food truck with burger. South So they have coffee and bagels. Burrito. Wanaka chili mustard burrito. The food truck is just along the highway. Fried chicken like no other. This is the one you said, Han? Nandito na kami sa town center ng Wanaka. And earlier, nagpunta kami doon sa food truck para bumili ng food. And the food is here. But we are going to eat doon sa lake para eating with a view. Char lang. Ayan, papunta na kami sa lake para kainin namin yung food namin. And ano talaga to? Malamig. Mahangin. Definitely mahangin. So, ito yung Wanaka. And then later, punta kami dun sa World Puzzle, Han. World Puzzle. So, tingnan natin. Ang ganda ng lake dito. So, ayan. Madami din sigurong ano dito. Turista. Dami din ano. Turista. Tourist. Is a tourist destination also? Char English. So, Wanaka is in South Island, New Zealand. So, ang road trip namin ay from South Island to North Island. So, let's see. This is our day 2 road trip. So, ayan, kakain kami dyan sa tabi ng lake. Sana makahanap tayo ng good spot. Yung food truck kanina, ano lang, easy masyado kasi nasa tabi ng road lang siya. So, easy to find. Yan na yung lake. Okay. So, our food is this one. Sa Carland daw kami kakain kasi grabe mahangin. So, this is the chicken. What's the name gani? Firebird. Sabi doon, finger licking good. So let's try. Okay. So let's eat. Is it hot, huh? No sauce for this because it's smoky. No. 28, so it's 14 bucks, no? Ay, 15 tayo, 32. 16 per person.
That's a lot of food.
So, malaki na siya. 28 bucks, 4 pieces of chicken, chips, and salad, coleslaw. Ang ganda ng view, pero super hangin. Smoky rice. No? So, hot noodles. Yung chicken spicy, but medium lang. Sarap diba? Yung puso. Yan yung view ng lake. Yan ang view namin while eating. Char lang. Mm. So finally, tapos na kami kumain. And mag-walking sana kami dyan sa lake. Pero ang lakas ng hangin, hindi ko kaya. Lamig. So, saan tayo puntahan? Where are we going? Oh, this one sana. Oh.
It's clear up here now.
It's nice. After kain, punta kami sa warehouse or sa World Basel. So, let's go. So, yan. Papunta na kami sa World Basel. Saan tayo? Where is? So, let's go. So, ayan na. Dito na pala kami. Ayan na ang Puzzling World. I need to take a picture there later.
Yeah, were you supposed to?